Hey Embroidery Legacy family! Are you looking to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen without the hassle? Well, in today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily create a stunning towel topper to perfectly embellish your kitchen. So follow along, and by the end, you're going to have a beautiful accent piece that will make your kitchen the envy of all your friends.
Attention machine embroiderers, are you struggling to hoop fabric, confused about thread, or wondering what tension even means? Grab our free Embroidery for Beginners course and get 21 free designs so you can start your first projects right away. Click the link in the description to get started.
So for this project, we will need a 5x7 hoop, 2 pieces of fabric, 8x6 inches, 1 piece of batting, 8x6 inches, water-soluble stabilizer. It's optional to have matching bobbin for the final stitch, but we do highly recommend a kitchen towel, which will be about 20 by 20 inches, scissors, and some double curved scissors, and some tape. We're going to start by hooping our water-soluble stabilizer in our 5x7 hoop. Next, we're going to place the hoop into the machine and run the placement line for our batting. Next, we're going to place our batting over the placement line and secure it down with tape. Ensure your batting laps the placement line by 1/4 inch on all sides. Return the hoop to your machine and run your tack down line over the batting, tacking it into place. Remove the hoop from the machine and trim the excess batting around the tack down line. Make sure you do not cut into the tack down line, so make sure that you remove the excess batting from inside the handle of the design as well. Place the front fabric over the batting and secure it with tape. Return the hoop to the machine and run the tack down line for the front fabric. Once the tack down line has finished, we're going to keep the hoop in the machine and run the design on the top fabric. Now that the design has finished, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and flip it over, revealing the back of the hoop. Next, we're going to place the back fabric over the hoop and secure it with tape. Make sure you tape it down well enough so that none of the fabric falls into the stitching area. Return the hoop to your machine and run the tack down line around the entire design and for the handle. Remove the hoop and carefully cut around the tack down line as well as the fabric from within the handle area. Now that you have removed all the excess fabric from the design, return the hoop to the machine and run the final satin stitch around the design. Remove the hoop from the machine and the design from the hoop, and carefully cut the excess stabilizer from around the design, leaving roughly 1/4 inch of stabilizer around the perimeter. Remove the rest of the stabilizer from around the design using a warm bowl of water and your fingers. And just like that, you've created a beautiful towel topper to hang proudly in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this project and want to make more just like it, make sure you check out our Embroidery Legacy Design Club. When you join our EL Club, you will save 90% on over 30,000 embroidery designs. You will also be able to access exclusive in the hoop projects and so much more. Sign up today and become one of our exclusive members, and we hope you had as much fun doing this project as we did. Thanks for watching and happy stitching.